did all 8 of my glow plugs, and after doing the glow plugs, this side's coming up as still being bad. So the easiest way to check it is to pop this little, like a little red tab on there, you push it over. There we go. And that will be for me. Alright. Put multimeter up, put on ohms. And I want to lead to the battery. So these are the positive. Alright. Almost good. 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 And there it is, good. It should be between a half and probably 2 is probably the highest it should go. But even if it's slightly higher, I wouldn't really be off. But if it was nothing, then it would ground it out. And then if it's a really, really high resistance, then it's bad. But that whole side's good, and going to the engine's gonna tell me these 4 are bad. But this harness tells me it's good right here. Now I could plug this harness back in and test them right down here at the glow plug module. But pretty much no point of doing that. So I already know they're good, and then this basically tells me that the harness was installed correctly. So, need a new glow plug module. Should have checked that before I did all of them, but I had 239 on it too, so most likely the majority of those glow plugs are bad. I did try to check some of them, and some of them ohmed out high, and some of them they wouldn't even read nothing, so I guess they were internally shorted. But it's the best way to check, well, the easiest way to check. Like I said, you got connected there, and you follow from the glow plug module. You can follow where the other one is. It's right under here, under this. But you can check that side, but that side's not giving me no codes, and it's only this side, and both sides are done. Both harnesses are done, so I know the issue is basically the relay, which is these modules, and that's how you check it.